Hey everyone, welcome again in our 4-day online course launch workshop Facebook group. I wanted to record this video today to announce that it's only a few days left before we're gonna hold our 4-day online course launch workshop. We're gonna do it potentially next Tuesday, February 15th. 6 p.m. EST time. I'm going to provide you with all of the details additionally, but today I wanted to share with you what is that we're going to cover on our 4-day live workshop so you can be ready and you can exactly know what is that we're going to do and work on together, right? So let me share my screen here and I'm going to guide you through this 3-step formula of how can you launch an online course, enroll 10 to 15 students into it, potentially earn 15K up to 30 or 20 or 30K with your course launch, and do all of that in 1 to 2 months, right? This can be done completely from scratch without your the audience of potential clients, or if you already have your audience, it's going to be even easier for you to achieve this, right? But let me share with you this 3-step formula of how it's all going to work for you, right? If you don't have your own course yet, or your own value, your own something, your own offer, right? That's the first thing that you're going to need to come up with, right? You're going to need to identify your value, the outcome that people are gonna get working with you, right? Because the point of creating a course is that you get people to certain outcome, right? So that's going to be the first step, right? And let me just lead you through these 3 steps here first, and you know they're relating to this diagram up here anyways, and then I'm going to give you a summary at the end, right? So first, right, even before you come up with your value, you're going to need to identify your goal, right? What is that you want to achieve with your course launch, right? For example, know in mind that this is going to be 15K, right? And down below here, I'm going to explain you how this is possible and how many clients are you going to get for it, right? So ask yourself, what are your gifts? What are your skills? What's your expertise? Because through those few things, you're gonna help people achieve certain premium major outcome that you're gonna deliver to them, right? And you're gonna need to create a course outline, a transformational outline, for example, signature 8 steps through which you will deliver them that value, right? So you're gonna need to decide on all of this at the beginning, and then you're gonna start doing the marketing activities, getting market feedback, and improving your course outline, right? But you don't need to create it right yet. You're gonna first go through a certain marketing process. So then you're gonna be able to run a live online course, right? And get that feedback live from your students. So after you are positioned well, you're gonna hold a 4-day workshop, right? And this is why you should hold a workshop if you're starting from scratch, because this allows you to speak to many people at the same time, right? So you don't need to chase one person after another, but you rather get all of your potential clients in one spot, in one environment, right? You engage with them, you nurture them, you pre-frame them, and then bang, right? You can offer them to work with you more in depth, right? So here is the thing, right? You're going to first expand your audience of potential clients and invite them to this 4-day workshop. You're going to teach them on that workshop the plan of how can they achieve the major outcome that you are going to provide them with, right? So you're going to basically teach them a few fundamental things that they need to know, so they will be able in the future to get the outcome that they desire, right? On a 4-day workshop, you will not be able to get them that outcome yet, because it requires more attention to them and it's a longer transformational experience that they need to go through. But here, you're going to teach them at least the plan of how they're going to achieve that outcome later on. And you're going to establish a personal connection with the audience, right? You're going to then introduce them to your course, group mastermind, or your coaching program through which you will deliver to them that outcome later on in the future, right? So as you can see, this is a very important step because it allows you to get all of the potential clients, right? I even teach how to get across those potential clients, how to get them into the 4-day workshop group and so on, right? But it allows you to speak to many, right? And then enroll many, right, into your longer, more profound course that you have started creating here from beginning, right? So on that workshop, through a certain process, those who will really want to extend this coaching experience with you, they will be allowed to join your 8-week, for example, 8-week course or live group mastermind, right? And you will need to enroll 7 to 15 students into any of your 2 offers, right? You're gonna give people 2 options. Either they become part of the course group mastermind, which is gonna go live for 8 weeks or so, and some of them who want more attention and get results faster and get that knowledge applied to their unique situation, those will want to work with you for one-on-one as well, right, during this period, right? So that can maximize your income, for example, right? So you're going to enroll 7 to 15 people, and you're going to finalize your course outline and the workbook. You're going to prepare everything, and then you're going to host your 8-week live workshop, course, right? And deliver to your new clients that major promised outcome, right? So this is going to be quite an awesome experience for you. And later you're going to improve your course and you're going to relaunch it to the same group of people and to more new people, right? And you're going to be able even to start running some advertising, Facebook ads to boost signups and for new launches and all of those kind of things, because you're going to have some money to use, right? And next launches will be even bigger, even more profound, and even simpler. And then you can start selling your courses even passively, right? If you decide to shift your business that way, right? So here is the deal, right? In the next few days, or next Tuesday, in 1 week time, right, we're gonna have a 4-day workshop where I'm gonna be teaching you more in depth of how can you do this, right? That what I just explained you, right? In those 4 days, we'll create an exact plan of how can you position your course, get in contact with new potential clients organically, fill your workshop, and enroll 15 students into your program. In fact, we're gonna already do each day of those 4 days, we're gonna have a homework to do. And I'm gonna urge you to, let me actually show you what we're gonna do together, right? Because it's quite important that you know what we are getting into, right? So on day 1, I am gonna urge you to come up with your 8 steps, because on day 2, I'm gonna overview you, some people's 8 steps, and I'm gonna give you my feedback of what I think about your transformational course outline that you have come up with, right? On day 2, I'm gonna teach you a simple 1-post method that all of us are gonna go and publish on our social channels, right? And we're gonna ask our audiences about certain topic or value that they want to get from you through your course. And with that, we're gonna generate interest. We're gonna get your people raise hand. Anyone who does this following my 1 simple sentence lead generation method gets 20 to 30 comments and replies from your audiences, right? And guess what? We're gonna do this on day 2. On day 3, we're gonna already get feedback of how many people raised hand on your post that you're gonna publish. And then on day 3, we're gonna create a quick survey. I'm gonna just give you a template, right? A survey, which we're gonna send out to all of the people who engaged in comments of that post. And they're gonna give you more information about, they're gonna answer some questions. They're gonna give you more information about what is that they want to learn from you in your course and so on. And you're gonna ask them that as well if they want to join your 4-day workshop, which you're gonna be running, and you're gonna give them an opportunity to book a call with you right there, because in exchange, because they filled in the questionnaire, right? With that, we're gonna get you sales calls booked, right? And on day 4, I'm gonna teach you my sales call script, very simple formula that I use with my clients and myself, and we're gonna do sales calls role play, right? That's the most that I can give you in those 4 days, right? I can just give you that 1 thing that is gonna get you up and running, right? And then we're gonna talk also here about the next steps of how can you fill in the work for the workshop yourself, how can you finalize that launch, right? And so on. We're gonna talk about all of that. So you're gonna have a plan, you're gonna have some leads to talk to, and the only thing that's gonna be left for you there after this 4-day workshop is that you execute on filling your own 4-day workshop and launching your course that you are coming up with, right? More about that later on, but that's what we're gonna be doing, okay? So hopefully you enjoyed this message right now, this value. I just wanted to say hello here, let you know what's that we're gonna be doing, okay? The workshop is gonna go from Thursday to Friday next week, from 15th to 17th or 18th, I don't know, 6 p.m. EST. Every day we're gonna meet up live on Zoom and in our private Facebook group here, and so on. And we're just gonna get it all up and running. Cannot wait to hear about your values, your the outcomes that you can deliver to clients. Cannot wait to answer all of your questions. Cannot wait to collaborate and just chat, give each other some feedback. It's going to be really profound experience here. I wanted to charge you all for this workshop, you know, 97 or more or whatever, but I said, let me do it for free. I need to see if people see the value in this, if people are going to show up, if they are willing to engage, if they are willing to do something for their online businesses. I want to see hear from you your feedback. Okay, I want to really do this with you guys. Cannot wait. Next week we are doing this live. It's going to be really phenomenal. And just let me know in comments if you have seen this video, if you enjoyed the value, and if you are excited that we're going to do this. Okay, so cannot wait to speak with you next week. One more thing, this Friday, I'm gonna go live in our Facebook group for the first time, all right? And I will give you the date and the time so you can join in as well, all right? Because we're gonna already pre-engage on Friday this week. Okay, the date is, let me just triple check here. The date is 11th, right? I'm gonna do probably 6 p.m. EST. I'm gonna send you an email. I'm gonna provide you with all the details, right? So on Friday, we're gonna already have a live chat just to have fun and get to know each other. And then on Tuesday, we begin with our 4-day live workshop, all right? So that's it for now. Let me know below if you watched this video, and cannot wait to hang out and do this together. Okay, see ya later. Bye bye.